Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at the Microsoft uh, PowerPoint 2007 interface. In our last video, we talked about the basic tips in which you have to take into consideration when preparing your presentation. Today, we are going to look at the interface of Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. So if I'm sure you are already familiar with 2007, but you may not know some of the names or some certain things that are there. Today we are just going to try to outline some of those things. Maybe you may learn something new, or you may just remember yourself from things you know already. And please try to go through the video. Okay, first thing we have to look at is the Office button. If you have Microsoft PowerPoint 2007 in front of you, I would like you to just launch it. If you have a desktop or if you have using your laptop, I will be happy if you can just launch it so you can follow it alongside. You can be clicking on, when I point on each and every section, you can just click on it just to see what is there. That is going to help you a lot. So the first part we are going to look at is the MS Office button. The MS Office button at the left side, right? Left side corner, just at the extreme of your screen. You can see the icon. You can either see the icon there or a file. You can either see a file, something written file, or the icon of Microsoft Office. So this one permits you to see when you open, if you click there, you are going to get what is the new, a lot of options. So you're going to get a lot of file options, like the new, which allows you to create a new slide. You have open, which allows you to open a slide from an existing presentation. You can save, that is, if you have saved previously, you can easily save by just using the file option save. You can save as if you want to change the name of your presentation, or you are just trying to save in a new destination. You can do that using the option save as. You can print, or you can have a print preview, and so many other options. Today we'll just talk about these few options. Okay, at this area we have the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar contains shortcuts to save, undo, and repeat. This access toolbar contains shortcuts to save, undo, and repeat. So you can add more by simply clicking on this small arrow pointing down, and then you have a lot of options. You can just tick the options in which you want it to appear. So you can add maybe a presentation that you want to easily get access to that. You can add a lot of other things. Just try that out to see how it shows and how it reacts. The next part we are going to talk about here is the ribbon tabs. The ribbon tabs, you can also call them the menus, right? Where you have the home, insert, design, animation, slideshow, review, and view. So the ribbon tabs contains or display a ribbon that provides a set of tool groups. So each of these tabs will display what is called tool groups, and beneath each tool groups you can have the group name. So beneath each tool group you can have the group name. If you look at very well on the screen, we are now on the home tab. The home tab here, beneath this group, just try to look at my cursor. You have the font, we have clipboard, we have slides, we have font, we have paragraph, we have drawing, and then we have editing. So all these are tool groups, and beneath each of them we have the group name. For example, on here we can have font. This is the group name for font, and just beside the group name you have what is called the dialog box launcher. This dialog box launcher permits you to have more options related to what so you can perform more tasks on that particular tool group. The next part we are going to look at is the tool groups. The tool groups, each tool group's name is shown just at the bottom of the group. For example, you can look at the home tab. Let's go through this one again. The home tab, let's look at here. Just beneath you have the clipboard. The clipboard, which is just beneath the tool group, which is the tool group name. To change the tool group, click on the appropriate ribbon tab in the ribbon. For example, so if you want to change, you can change the tool group name, right? You can change the tool group by simply clicking on the appropriate ribbon tab in the ribbon. For example, look at the home tab, tool group for clipboard, font alignment, and cell formatting. You have insert tab. You are going to have tool groups for inserting image, chart, and text box, etc., etc. Okay, let's look at the dialog box. The dialog box launcher arrow. Some tools groups have a small arrow in the bottom right hand corner. So some of them have a small arrow in the bottom right hand corner. If you don't see it there, no worry. And if you see it and you think that maybe it was supposed to be there, try to check on the other tool groups or on the other tabs. Maybe Microsoft have rearranged it to appear on a different tool groups. So some tool groups may have a small arrow in the bottom right hand corner. Clicking on this arrow will open a dialog box which offer more options and settings related to that tool group. So if you click on that arrow, you are going to have more options related to the tool group. So just try it and then see some of the options that are there available. The next part we are going to look at here is pretty we have done everything that needs to be done on this section. We will go in our next video. We are going to talk about some of the how can you create a slide, how to open an existing slide, and everything on how we can do to start working using our PowerPoint 2007. Remember that in PowerPoint 2007 you will find that tools with similar uses are organized so that they are usually found within the same tool group or at least within one ribbon. So if you do not find a tool group in a ribbon and you think that it was supposed to be there, try to check or explore the other ribbon tabs. Well, we are going to end here for this video, and thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe or comment below the video. You can get this note also just by clicking on the link showing on the video or below the video to have access to a free PDF or free ebook notes that you can just read using your mobile or when you are free. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.